So I was planning on having some friends over, which is not happening now, to exchange recipes and share our creativity, and whatever we make at home, easy, quick, non-fussy recipes. And that's not happening now. So I am going to do very quick recipes on a video tutorial here. So if you'd like to join me today, I am making cabbage, and in Hindi we call it Pata Gobi, and it's a really nice and light dish, and I will share that with you today. So here we have the ingredients. We have a head of cabbage that has been chopped already to save us time. We have a few carrots that I've chopped up, maybe just I would say that's about 1.5 cups. And we also have some mini sweet peppers, different colors. We have orange, yellow, and red that I've chopped up. I'd say that's about five peppers. And a spoon of shredded ginger. Now, Mom, I know you might be watching this and being like, Anna put carrots in there and Anna put sweet peppers in there. Being a decorator, I need some color, and I think it'll just liven up the look of my cabbage, and it also adds a little flavor. So I modified it, so sorry, Mom. And the ginger here is because cabbage can make you gassy sometimes, so it helps with that, and of course it adds flavor. For the spices, everybody needs one of these. It's a masala dabba. You put your spices in there. There are 7 spots for you to put spices, so you better choose wisely. And if you have this, you have already attained auntie uncle status. So we're going to use a couple of spices here. I'll show you in a second. Look how pretty that is. So we're going to use cumin seeds. We're going to use mustard seeds. We're going to use haldi, turmeric, which is like the king of spices in India. And we're going to use some, I use pink salt. We're going to use, if you don't want it spicy, you don't have to use it, but I do. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. And we are also going to use ground coriander. And those are your spices. Time to cook. So we're going to heat some olive oil in a big pot here. I'm going to drizzle it in there. I would say like 2 to 3 spoons. That's good enough. You can add more if you want, but I think that's good. Then we are going to get our masala dabba and put 1 teaspoon of the cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of the mustard seeds, and you let them sizzle in there for a little bit. It doesn't take that long. You get this nice aroma. Okay. Then we're going to put in the carrots. Don't let it sit in there for too long because then it'll burn. So put the carrots in so you can already hear it sizzle. Then you put your sweet pepper. Sorry, Mom, I know you don't use these, but it adds color. And you put your sweet peppers. Oh, let me get something to stir with. There. Stir it around a little bit. I would let that cook for about 2-3 minutes. So now we've let the peppers and the carrots cook for 2-3 minutes. We're going to add the main ingredient, cabbage, the chopped cabbage. Throw that in there. And this shrinks once you cook it. So don't be overwhelmed if it's like a lot. And then I'm going to toss that ginger in there. I just put the ginger in there as well. And then we put the other bowl of cabbage. This is is on high heat right now. On high heat, if you can't hear me. And we're gonna let that cook for another 4 or 5 minutes. So after about 5 minutes, this is what it looks like. Lower the heat, and now we're gonna add our spices. We're gonna put salt. I like lots of salt, but you add as needed. I'm gonna put 2 big spoons of salt in mine. 1 spoon of turmeric. 1 spoon of the hot red chili pepper. 2 spoons of the ground coriander. And that is all it takes. And then we mix it. I'm going to lower the heat and let it cook for about, I would say, let it cook for about 10 more minutes. So here we are, the end result. This has been on medium heat for about 10 minutes, and I am going to just take it out of the pot with some tongs and place it in this bowl, this pretty little bowl over here. And you can serve this up with rice, naan, roti, chapati, or you can just serve it as a side. I prefer to eat this dish with roti or chapati, but for those of you who are on a keto or a low carb diet, you won't see me on one of those because I am just not a nice person if I don't have my carbs. I go a little crazy. You can have it as a side with meat, tofu. It's a wonderful side dish, so I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to have some myself and have a great day. My next recipe will be kebabs, so stay tuned.